Hi folks, we have a Go chair by Pride Mobility. This is one of the smallest power chair that you can have that also comes apart. This power chair has 1 hour. Actually, one of my clients had this chair for her husband, and he was not able to use it, so I got it back here. It has so it's literally brand new, folks. 1 hour. It was never really used, that's what she said. So yeah, with 1 hour you can see. So it's blue in color, it's the Go chair. It has a 300-pound weight capability. The seat on this chair is 18 by 18 roughly. Actually, let me measure that. Just to make sure I didn't give you the wrong information. It says 18 and a half by 17. So let's just say 18 by 17 to be on the safe side. It has a safety belt. The arms flip up. The arms can also go out and they can also come up. The joystick is on the right. If you're left-handed, we can switch it to the left side. The foot plate does raise up when you exit the chair. You can raise the foot plate and exit the chair. The nice thing about this chair, the seat does swivel. I had to find the handle, it's right here in the front. So if you want to swivel the seat this way or this way, and it locks when you get to those positions, okay? A lot of people like this chair because the reason they like this chair, it comes apart. So you can set your watch how fast it's going to take me to take this chair apart. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the cable right here. I'm going to grab the seat this way. I'm going to go straight up with it. Straight up. The next thing I'm going to do, there's a battery pack with a handle. Straight up. Then I'm going to grab the pole and the hand. I'm going to pull up. And now I've got my chair in 4 pieces. This is your heaviest piece right here because it has 2 motors. I don't know if you can see the 2 motors or not. Yeah, maybe from this direction. So it has 2 motors. You can see that's the rear. This and the seat, this is probably going to be about 35, 38 pounds in the seat the same way. When you put it back together, you can see there's little green lines right there. So when you bring it, you bring the green lines to the green lines. And it should snap together like that. The battery pack, also with this battery pack, if you want to leave your chair in the car, you can take the battery pack in the house and charge it right here. And here's your reset button right here. So you can take this battery pack in the house with your charger and charge it in the house. Battery pack sits on here. When you put the seat back on, I like to bring the seat this way so I can see the pole. And as soon as it drops on, it locks. Take your cable, go back to your rear cable, plug it in, turn your power on, okay? This is how the chair turns in a circle. So you can see how short that chair is. So if you're looking for something real small to get into your bedroom and out of your bedroom, this is a real nice one. In the back of the chair, put the safety belt over here so you can see that. Put that over here so we can show you what I'm talking about. Right here, there's 2 yellow levers. As I said, there's 2 motors. So if you turn the power off and you want to roll this chair, hit the levers back, and now your chair is in neutral. When you're done rolling the chair, put the motors back in gear, turn your power back on, and you're ready to go. This bar right here will not come with this chair. This is my bar, so I'm going to keep this bar. That's an anchor bar. If you want an anchor bar, we can offer you one. You also have a docking device if you want to put a basket back here, an oxygen tank, a cane holder. You also have tip wheels back here. The wheels on the chair are solid wheel. I think those are 9-inch solid wheel. These are 5-inch solid wheels in front. Not going to mark your floor. When you charge this chair, you will get a small charger. Not this one, this one's too big, but we'll just go, for example, we're going to use this one. You plug it right here, and as soon as the light goes to green, your batteries are full, the charger will stop charging. So folks, this is a Pride Go chair. This is a portable, take apart power chair. One of my favorite chairs, by the way. So it's a Pride portable, take apart power chair, 300-pound capability. It's only 23 inches wide, so remember that number, 23 inches wide. It has an 18 by 17 swivel seat, solid tires all the way around, battery pack that'll give you about 12 to 15 miles on a battery charge. You can take the battery pack in the house and charge the batteries in the house and leave the rest of the chair in the car. It has flip-up arms, safety belt. Just a real nice, small, compact power chair. Beautiful blue. 1 hour on it. This is the Go chair with 1 mile. It may have 1.5 miles by the time we're done today, but right now it's got 1 mile on the meter. So you can see when you stop with this chair, if I stop it really fast, it comes to a halt. It has electromagnetic brakes in the motor, which reduces the chair to a halt. And then the chair, even though it's still on, it won't move because it's locked in gear. So the chair will go in the grass, but it has to be really good grass. So cut grass, as long as you have a good bottom, you're fine. I wouldn't go where it's too mushy or sandy. You're going to get stuck with this chair, but it'll go through a good solid grass. You'll have no problem. The seat is 18 by 17. It is a swivel seat, like I mentioned earlier. So if you need to get out from the side, there's nothing here to get out, nothing in your way. The handle, the only negative I found is the handle is under here, but you can put a little extension on it, a little pole extension, which we can do for you, where it's easier to reach instead of having to go under here and getting it. That's the only negative. But other than that, we've sold a ton of these chairs and never had a complaint about this chair. Great power chair. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.